Hey, what's up, guys? This is Geeky Sai. In this video, I'll show you how to change voice effects from voice like this
to this and
this. Let's
get started.
Okay guys, open your video editing software and click on this plus icon. I'll use KineMaster in this case. Click on empty project and go to media and go to screen recorder and select the video which you wanna change. In this video I cannot say voice because I'm giving voice over to the video. You should try and see, trim the video part like you want and click on I'll increase the voice to show because I did a mistake while screen recording. The voice did not record. I cannot do one more time. I'll give voice over to this video so that you can't listen the voice, but at the starting of the video you can listen the voice modulation which I did. Okay, sorry guys. Now I'll split the video at some other part. Split at playhead and click on that video and go to volume, that volume button, and move all the plus 100 icons and pitch to the left side so that the voice becomes like a man who is somewhat old and somewhat bigger, and click on the tick icon and now play the video. As I told that the voice will not come in this, sorry guys. Show some of the voice, and the second voice which I showed in that video will come now. That is a small kid voice. I'll go to volume and move all the icons to the right side up to the maximum you will, and click on tick icon, and now I'll play the video until I told that we can't listen anything. Now I'll show some of the voice effects which you can try, but as I told that you cannot listen anything. Select the clip and go down and click on audio filter and change the audio filter and play. I'll show each of the voice, but the voice cannot be listened in this because the screen recorder did not support voice recording. So that, sorry guys. Now I click on tick icon. Sorry, go to no guys, not volume envelope. Go to audio filter and go to and change voice, change audio filter according to your wish. And I'll show you to all the audio filters how to change and if you try, you can make fun of your friends' videos. And if you have any videos of like this, you can change to somewhat older voice and make fun of them. This is not this just for educational purpose, not to tease or harm anyone. Okay guys, this is for this video, and this is your Geeky signing off, living at the moment. Have a nice day.